The Creative Mark 3 and 4 drawer wood storage boxes are perfect for any studio of any size. They're going to hold pretty much any drawing material that you can think of, from pencils to erasers and sharpeners and even these jumbo jet pencils that I love. Also holds pastels and even the big jumbo pastels. You can really fit any of your drawing media in these boxes. And what I really love about these is you can take the drawers out while you're working. And this way, you just have all of your materials close at hand, ready to use, and then when you're done, just put it back in the box. Each drawer has a removable foam liner and removable dividers. The foam liner is nice because it's going to protect the drawer and keep everything from getting all dirty if you have any pastels or anything like that. And it'll keep them from moving around in here, which helps prevent breakage. And the fact that you can remove the dividers, you can change up the layout of each drawer as you need it. And my favorite part of these is that they stack. And as they stack, you can still open the drawers above without interfering with anything below. So you can stack a number of these up and really fit all of your colored pencils, all of your regular pencils and sharpeners, everything that you need in your studio. You can have it nice and tidy and ready to go. The feature that really makes this stack is this little notch here. So with that, it's going to lock it in and keep it from sliding back, so you can just stack these and they're good to go. The Creative Mark 3 and 4 drawer wood storage boxes. They're a great way to keep yourself organized while you're drawing and even while you're not.